Welcome. In this video, I'll talk about base statement in Python in details. Let's start. The base statement in Python is used when a statement is required to say identically, but you do not want any command or code to be executed, like indentation. The base statement is a null operation, nothing happens when it executed. The base is also useful in places where your code will eventually go but has not been written yet. That's this example here. And our last example, if I move this and type that here, nothing going to happen. We'll print all values. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Nothing is not gonna happen. But if we work in a project and we are a team of developers and we will create some functions. If I create some function here with name of student and I'll create another function here with name of employee. And I'll create a function here with the name of managers. Here. But my friend in team is gonna to write the code here, and my other friend is gonna to type the code here, and I am gonna to type my code here, print welcome. If I run the code, I'll get an error expected an indent block because there must be a code here for this student. To solve this problem, we're gonna use base statement to tell Python that there is a code here, but it's gonna to be written later, and here also a statement. Now we can run our code to see that our functions here. I can use this function here to print welcome. Okay, remember I'll use base statement only in some projects that syntax needs this word here to work correctly. Okay, in the next video I'll show you some examples on loop so that you can connect everything we have learned through this section of our course. Hope you like this video and see you next one.